You hear me talk all the time about how important a Google business profile is. And today I'm going to share with you a complete overview of not only what Google business profile is and why you need it, but I'm going to share our own page. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield and I help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. Google Business Profile is one of the most powerful tools available for your business. And the best part, it is free. Your profile allows your business to appear in local search results, Google Maps, and provides a sidebar knowledge panel when people search your business. If you want to show up when people are searching for you, your business, product, or service, you need to have a Google Business Profile. Today, I'm going to share with you an in-depth walkthrough what Google Business Profile looks like, what visiting customers see, how to make edits, add photos, events, products, and much more. If you have not already set up your Google Business Profile account, stay tuned. We will walk through it all together. Plus, I have a free checklist sharing tips and step-by-step how to set up your account and add content. But first, let's dive in and discuss what a Google Business Profile is and why you need it.
Welcome. We are going to be diving into the power of Google Business Profile and how you can use it to enhance your online presence and connect with potential customers. Whether you're a local business owner, a service provider, or an entrepreneur, this webinar right here will provide you with actionable insights to make the most out of your online presence. Let's get started. So what is Google Business Profile? We're going to talk about the definition and overview, key features, and benefits. What are the benefits? Well, it's enhanced online visibility, improved local search results, direct customer engagement, and then we're going to go over analytics and insights. I'm going to go through a step-by-step guide from creating your Google account to setting up your Google Business Profile to claiming your business or providing updated and accurate information. And then we're going to touch on best practices. So let's start out with, what is Google Business Profile? It is a free tool provided by Google that allows businesses to create an online presence on Google Search and Maps. It provides essential business information and customer reviews, acting as a digital storefront for potential customers. What are the benefits? Well, as I mentioned, enhanced online visibility. Having a Google Business Profile helps you get discovered by people searching for products or services that you offer. You can also improve local search results. By appearing in local search results, you help attract nearby potential customers to your business. Another benefit is direct customer engagement. Google Business Profile now allows you the opportunity to message with potential clients. Everyone likes instant gratification, and being able to reach out immediately without jumping through a bunch of hurdles is a benefit that Google Business Profile offers. Analytics and insights. I'm always like going through the numbers because it gives you valuable data about customer interactions to inform you and also help you with your marketing strategy. So there are a lot of benefits to having a Google Business Profile, and it's free. This is a tool that can really help you grow your business. So let's talk about setup. First and foremost, if you do not have a Google account, you will want to set up a Google account. Then you will want to go to business.google.com. And when you go there, you will search for your business. If it comes up, you will have the opportunity to claim it if it already exists. If not, you then have the opportunity to add your business. And then you start the setup process. And what you want to start with first and foremost is providing accurate information: name, address, phone number, etc. The next step would be to add quality images. Good quality photos of your products, services, behind the scenes. Depending on your specific industry, that will be the photos that showcase the solutions that you offer. The next one is a good description. You really want to optimize your description, and you want it to be a compelling description highlighting what makes your business unique. Manage reviews. You want to make sure that you respond to customer reviews. If someone writes a review on your Google business profile, you want to go in, whether it be thank you or you want to go into sentences as the reply, just make sure you take the time to reply to those reviews. You can post updates. You can share news, promotions, events that you have going on, and I encourage you to do that on a regular basis. Check analytics. As I mentioned before, I'm a numbers person when it comes to metrics, because that data can really tell you about the visits, calls, directions, all of those items that a Google business profile offers to potential clients. It tells you what those potential clients are doing, and it helps you refine your strategy. So I would like to also share with you some best practices. As I mentioned, regular updates and posts. You want to post relevant content and updates frequently to engage with your audience. As I mentioned, you want to respond to reviews. Make sure you take the time to reply to any customer feedback in a timely manner. This really helps build trust. And as I've said before, the insights. Your analytics can really help you understand areas that you can improve in. And all of these best practices listed here are to help you maximize the impact of your Google business profile. You want to make your digital storefront shine. An optimized Google business profile acts as your digital storefront, connecting your business directly to potential customers in your area. Complete and update your listing with relevant details, high-quality photos, and regular posts to boost visibility and engagement. I wanted to make sure that you had an overview of Google Business Profile. This is such a powerful tool, and the best part about it, it's free to use for your business, so I encourage you to do so. Well, I wanted to take a moment and share with you all a little bit about what Google Business Profile looks like to potential clients. A potential client that would go in and search our main business, So In Media Group. That's what I've done. I'm not logged in as anyone here. So over here on the left-hand side is the search results that show up. On the right-hand side, in this square area, you see that it has a border around it. That is the Google Knowledge Panel. That information comes from what is put in on our Google Business Profile. So you will see our contact information. You also keep scrolling down and we'll see a description and any recent updates or posts that we have put out. I just wanted you to see what it looks like for potential clients when they go in to do an actual search, and that this is how the information is pulled from the Google Business Profile onto search results. In walkthrough, I'm going to go through the dashboard side of Google Business Profile. And from this way, I'm logged into the account of our main business, So In Media Group. And I want you to be able to see what it looks like and how to navigate through making updates, changes, posts, and all of that. So let's get started. Right now, I'm on the dashboard. And what that means now for Google Business Profile is if you are logged into the account that has access, which means that is the owner or manager of your Google Business Profile listing, then when you just search your name, it will come up right here at the top of your search results. result. So it says your business on Google. So that tells me right there that I have access to the account. Over here, you see an area that says profile strength. And this is all green. That's a good sign. That means that a lot of the steps have been completed for our Google business profile. You find 3 dots here next to that area, and this is where you get additional options that you don't see right in front of you, whether it be profile settings, notifications, your business profiles if you have multiple, or if you need support. Now, let's go down to all of these icons and let's go through them. The first one, edit profile. This is where you go if you need to update any of your information, your about, your contact, your location, hours, or more. You make your changes, and then it can take 2 to 3 days for Google to approve. At the time of this recording, most of those are being done within 24 hours. You can read reviews, messages. If you have this feature turned on, you can message with potential clients back and forth. You can add photos. When you go here to this, it's asking you photos, logo, or your cover photo. Performance. We'll come back to this at the end. If you're looking to advertise, there's this button for Google Ads. We're going to come down to edit products. This is where you would list any products that you want to have listed for sale inside your Google business profile. The next one, services. This is where you can list any services that you offer at your business. Bookings. This is where you can have a booking link. If you do discovery calls or appointments online, this is where you can put the link for someone to be able to click the link without leaving the Google window and actually schedule an appointment with you. Q&A. This is where you can list questions and answers. So if you have a list of FAQs, frequently asked questions, I encourage you to list them here inside your Google business profile. So add update. Let's walk through that because this is really 3 in 1. So when you click on it, you can add update, post updates to your customers on Google. You can add an offer, create an offer, and attract customers to your business. Or you can add an event and let customers know about events you're hosting. So let's start with the update. When you go in here, it's like making a post on other channels. So you can put your post wording in, they call it a description. You can add a call to action button, and that can be book, order online, sign up, call, learn more. And then you can add photos by clicking the button to add photos here. You do have the option to preview it before you actually click post. And that's the add update feature. When you go to add an offer, it's asking you for the title, the start date, the end date. If you want to include more details, terms and conditions, coupon codes, and then again, you can add photos to this. And then you can preview and then post. Now let's go back to the third option, which was add an event. This allows you to put the event title in, start date, times, end times and date, details, a call to action button. This is optional, but I encourage you to use this, whether they can learn more, sign up. You can also add photos here on the right. You can preview again before you post. And these are 3 ways right here to add updates to your Google business profile. The next option is ask for reviews. And this is a great feature that Google has added because this gives you a link that you can send right to your customers. You can turn this link into a QR code. And what that means is it will take them right to the page to write a review about your business that can appear on Google. I want to come back to the performance tab, and inside this performance tab has analytics and information from visits, clicks to your website, phone calls. It has a lot of detailed information that you can go through. Now, over here on the right-hand side, I just want to highlight, this is your Google Knowledge panel. So the information that you have filled out on your Google Business Profile shows here on your Google Knowledge panel. And as you scroll down, you will see that information, including recent updates that you have made. This is where you go to make any updates or changes or additions that you want on your Google Business Profile. You can access this on your mobile or tablet as well by going to Google and searching for your business. You will want to log into the Google account that is attached to your Google Business Profile listing. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful on how you get in to make changes or additions to your Google Business Profile.
Well, there you have it. That was an in-depth look at everything Google Business Profile. I hope you found that helpful, and I hope that you will take advantage of this powerful tool for your business. Until next time, take care.